Baking bread from scratch takes a lot of time. Let me show you how to cut that time to 1/3 the time and barely 5 minutes of hands-on time. Cook it yourself. So here is the dough from a previous video I have made. That video would be linked in the description, which is how to make agege bread. Once I was done kneading that bread, I let it rise the first time, then wrapped it into a cling film and put it into the freezer. Here is that same dough 3 weeks after, which was when I kneaded bread again. It's just straight out of the freezer. You can hear how hard it has come out. So because I need to use bread the next morning, I took it out of the freezer the night before and put it into the fridge so that it can defrost. It has fully defrosted and it's soft. So all you have to do here is to unwrap the bread and cut it into the size that fits your pan. Roll the dough into a flat shape to remove any air pocket that is inside the dough. Once you're done flattening the dough, the next thing is to shape the dough back into the shape that you actually need. I wanted a full block of bread, so that's the shape I picked. After rolling it into the shape that I wanted, I pinched the top of the bread where it meets so that it can seal. Then I also tidied the right and the left side of the dough. This is to make sure that it looks beautiful basically. After this process, I put it into my pan with the pinched side down. Here is what I did because it was a very cold morning in UK. I turned on my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and turned it off. Then I put the bread that needed proofing into the oven. Let this rise till it's about double in size or for at least 1 hour. Here's the bread after it has proofed. Then I baked at 175 degrees for 30 minutes. That's how easy to preserve your bread and have fresh bread every single time. If you like helpful tips like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media pages at CIYBabe. Thank you. Bye. Don't go back to